In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a set of floating boards. Hey, what's up guys? I'm Darren Perez and welcome to the Ninja Life, where we help you overcome obstacles. On this channel, we provide you with training tips and ninja related product reviews. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. The floating boards were first introduced back in 2010 on Stage 3 of Sasuke 25. It wasn't until 2 years later when it made its way to Stage 3 on American Ninja Warrior Season 4, where Brett Stephenson was the first and only person to complete the obstacle that year. These boards are big, bulky, and relatively heavy. Most of us don't have the kind of space to hang such an obstacle, which is why we're going to build a residential version of the floating boards. Here's what you need to get started. A drill, some drill bits, a sander, sandpaper, measuring tape, a pencil, and something to help screw the eye bolts into the boards. Here are some optional items you'll need. A saw, and a ruler or T-square. So the first thing we want to do is to purchase the materials we'll need, which you can pick up at any hardware store. The first item you need is a 2x8 by 10 feet. This will give you two 5-foot boards. There are a few home improvement stores that will make simple cuts for free. The next items you need are 4 eye bolts. Now that we have our materials, we can start building the floating boards. If you decided to cut your lumber at home, simply measure the middle of your board, mark, and cut. Next, you're going to measure and mark your eye bolt placement on the top of the boards. This will be 1.5 inches from the edge on each side. Once marked, drill your pilot holes. Be sure to sand your boards to avoid any nasty splinters. And finally, screw the eye bolts into the boards. Congratulations, you just built your very own set of floating boards. Hopefully the next time you encounter these on a ninja course, you'll be ready. Ninja Talk, we just built a set of floating boards. I would like to know, what obstacle would you like to see built next? Or perhaps you already have some obstacles made. Definitely post those in the comment section below. And for more DIY obstacles, be sure to check out our How to Build Ninja Warrior Obstacles series. Or you can check out more Ninja Life content here. Keep training hard, I hope to see you on the course, and I'll catch you guys next time on The Ninja Life.